So now we have seen the scanning, reporting, patch management. In this session, we will see automated patch deployment and automated reporting. So this is for automation. This session is for automation, automating your tasks in VMP. So firstly, we are going to see automate patch deployment. So automate task for Windows. Then click on all the severity. If you want to select all, then just select all the vulnerability, patch all application or patch specific application, and patch application, all application and accept someone. So just click on patch all application. Then is your choice, like you want to patch specific application, and this is for Microsoft updates. So applications from Microsoft Corporation is like included in this. So only installed applications. So here are all the applications that are installed in our system. So I'll just continue with patch all applications, and these third-party applications, we don't have to select this one, and deploy patches after 1 day from release, and just click on next. Then deployment option, so just deploy app deployment policy. So allow user intervention during, yes, online, like we will select system startup or login, and then no, and task after no. The computer, here just select work group, and then we will select two computers. For first is for Shubham and second is for desktop. Then just click on next. Notify download deployment or failure for every 3 hours. Attach detailed report on failure for, yes, CSV. Notify deployment status for every 1 hour. Then and just give it your email address. Click on save, and here you go. Your automated task is for patch deployment is now live, and yes, here you can see all the details. Modify deployment settings. So yes, you can modify any details you have entered, and yes, we have created two patch deployment tasks, automated patch deployment, and yes, next we will see automated reporting. So schedule reports. Here we have already scheduled one report for vulnerability report, schedule vulnerability scanning. Then for this we will see patch scanning. Patch scanning, then just select patch reports, and yes, missing patch, installed patch, missing patch. Yes, so here is all the reports that is for patch report: missing patch, installed patch, application patch, detailed patch summary. So yes, we will select all of these, then select PDF, then send report as an attachment, yes, MMB, yes, to just give your email address, then subject, you can give any subject like patch scanning, and schedule for weekly, and for every Sunday 11:14, and just click on schedule, then schedule the report. Oh yes, what just happened? Yes, but here is our report is now on schedule for patch scanning and for vulnerability report. Oh yes, but here is how you can automate your task in VMP for like specific purpose for like deployment of patch and downloading of reports. Oh yes, is for automation.